So the purpose of this video is to show you how to shut down the LSM710 once you've concluded using it. So startup instructions are on one side of this piece of paper and the shutdown instructions are on the other side, excuse me. The first thing we need to do is clean all objectives if we've used them. I'll put a link in this video to a video about the LSM700 which shows you how to clean an all objective. Then we need to connect to the MSL server, save CZI files to personal server folder and disconnect. There are instructions actually for how to do that on our website, so I won't bother putting a link in this video to that. Check the calendar. Is anyone booked within the next 2 hours? If the answer is yes, you can log out of the kiosk and you're done. If the answer is no, you continue with the checklist. So you need to exit Zen. Click here. We need to shut down the computer. We need to turn the key on the argon laser power supply to vertical. That's this key. We need to turn off the component switch. We need to turn off the system's PC switch. And then you need to wait for this fan to turn off. So it'll be very noticeable when that turns off. This can take a few minutes, not as many as 5 or 10, which is what it says here, but it typically takes around 3 minutes. I will pause the video and then show you how to conclude the shutdown procedures once that fan is turned off. So the fan noise has stopped. The fan is slowly cycling down. It will eventually stop and we'll be able to see the blades in there. It is very noticeable. The sound in the video might not make it evident, but it's very noticeable when that turns off. The sound in the room drops by a lot. It gets much more comfortable. So when that happens, and only when that happens, can you turn off the main switch, which is switch number 2. Then you turn off the mercury power supply, that's switch number 1. And then in normal times, you would cover the microscope stand. But because we're under COVID-19 disinfection procedures, we need to disinfect the eyepieces with pure ethanol on lens paper. So here we have lens paper. Here we have pure ethanol. Wipe lens paper around the eyepieces and on the glass. And then we need to wipe with 70% ethanol on paper towels or Kim wipes the keyboard, mouse, joystick, knobs, and touchscreen. So the knobs, the joystick, the touchscreen, the keyboard, and the mouse. Please use 70% ethanol, which is in the spray bottle, and either Kim wipes or paper towels. And remember to spray the ethanol on the towels and not on the microscope, and then use the towel to wipe it. I can't actually do that with one hand, so I'm just going to do it, and then I'll cover the microscope, which is the step number 10, the following step in this list, and then I'll log out of the kiosk. So that'll conclude the video, but please remember to do these things. It's very important to keep everybody safe. And as always, if you have any questions, just let the MSL staff or myself know.